Welcome, I am Elizabeth Arriens. I will be presenting a brief PowerPoint about expanding computer science coding. Coding programmers are expected to dominate our future. The pandemic has caused an increase of online learners at school, online jobs at work, and internet usage at home globally, which is requiring more active programmers. I will discuss the topics: what is code? Applications such as where is code used? Programming languages used by coders. How Hour of Code globally engages students. Available internships and apprenticeships for coding students. And available careers for programmers. What is code? Coding converts human language, such as English, to the computer's binary language, such as ones for on and zeros for off, to program and develop software. Computer science uses algorithms to program and develop codes that allow students to create apps, mobile games, and websites. Another way to describe algorithms is that they are a set of input instructions that result in output to solve a problem. Codes can be found in computers and phones, and are commonly in websites, mobile games, and apps. Other hardware such as coffee makers, smartwatches, and traffic lights include code. It is interesting that cars include codes in the fuel injectors, clutches, and air conditionings. Hypertext Markup Language, known as HTML, is a set of code used in a file to display electronic pages on the World Wide Web. Cascading Style Sheets, known as CSS, is used to design web browser page layouts, such as the font, hyperlinks, background color, and animations. Both HTML and CSS are needed to create a creative web page. JavaScript is essential to user interaction with the visual elements on the website development coding that uses scripts for improved and complex functions such as passwords, transactions, and payments. Python is used to develop websites and software, data analysis, data visualizations, and task automations. Ruby is used for building web applications with data analysis, prototyping, and proof of concepts as a high-level scripting language. Hour of Code engages with over 180 countries, including all 50 states of the United States. They engage with grades kindergarten to 12th grade, with over 2 million teachers and 64 million students, with 15% of the students globally learning to code. They include 49 different languages for people around the world. The pie chart about racial and ethnic shows that the ethnic groups engage in the most hour of code with 51%, followed by whites with 43% and Asians at 6%. The pie about gender shows that 49% of females are engaged in the hour of code compared to males at 51%. There are many opportunities for internships and apprenticeships. For high school students, some internships are available by Microsoft and Code 2040 Fellows Program. For college students and people looking for work, some apprenticeships are offered by NPower and Year Up. There are many careers offered in the computer science field of coding. The table to the right shows a diverse group of computer science careers that include a salary range from $88,000 to $137,000 per year. There are many global jobs in software engineering and programming. There are technical program managers at Microsoft and data scientists at Electronic Arts that use coding skills. As technology improves, computer science careers will expand. These final 2 slides include my sources for this presentation. If you would like to research further, the nonprofit organization of Code.org uses the free Hour of Code event to promote computer science coding lessons to global students. If you are interested in a free Hour of Code training or want to take free online lessons, visit their website at code.org and hourofcode.com. Thank you for staying to the end of this presentation. I hope you have a wonderful day.